Hello everyone. Every tip you're about to hear in this video has been verified by expert mechanics, so take a deep breath. We're going to fix this together. If your Honda Pilot throws the keyless start system problem message, the first thing that might come to your mind is, what did I do now? Don't worry. Although it's annoying, this problem is pretty common and doesn't mean your car has gone crazy. The first thing many shop mechanics check is the key fob battery. Yes, changing it can sometimes help. But forums are full of stories where the message came back, even with new batteries. So it's not always just that, although it's worth ruling out quickly since it's cheap and easy to test. If the battery isn't the problem, the next usual suspect is the engine start-stop button. In many pilots, this button wears out over time and causes the computer to think there's a fault. In fact, several mechanics report that replacing the button permanently fixed the message, and all without breaking the bank. Now, there are cases where neither the button nor the battery fixes the issue. In these situations, some report that updating the module's software or resetting the system helps temporarily, but the message often comes back. That's when mechanics start checking wiring harnesses, control modules, and loose connections. Mechanics show that sometimes a single loose wire behind the dashboard can cause major headaches. Another interesting detail, this problem can affect other functions, like the auto lock when you walk away. If you notice that function stops working right when the keyless message appears, it's a clue that the error isn't just a visual glitch, it's affecting how the electronics detect your key.